Hey guys, in this video I will show you where the annoying rattling and clicking noises are coming from. It typically happens when you drive on uneven roads and it feels like it is coming from the front of the dashboard. I will put the noise overlay so you can hear it and see if that's what you are looking for right now. So yeah, that noise can be very annoying at times. And as it turns out, it is actually coming from the front air intake cover right under the hood. So let me show you. So you can tap on the cover and hear it. You hear that? So it's basically there are all these clips holding the cover to the Tesla, and they have a little gap which makes them prone to making noises. There are some side clips here too, so that's where the noise is coming from. To open the cover, you can simply just prop it open. There are 6 above. And also 6 at the bottom. There you go. So I already looked under mine, and mine actually is missing 2 clips. And I'll show you how to get around that later. Yeah, these 2 clips are missing. And as you can see here, that's what is causing the noise. These clip pockets, there's a gap to it. So I figured there's 2 ways to fix it or dampen the noise. The first way is if you have some rubber band laying around, you can wrap it at the first gap here and tuck it in. That should probably dampen the noise. But I have a second way that I'm gonna go with, because the rubber band may not last forever. It might be go bad once the weather hits. So the fix is very easy. You can get it done under 10 minutes. All you are going to need is a pair of scissors, some foam with a strip seal. I got these at Walmart. It's 3/4 inch wide and 1/2 inch thick, and you can cut them up and they'll last all year long. Looks like that. You can squeeze them and they will foam back. So what I'm going to do is cut them into pieces a bit larger than these pockets here, so that I can insert them in there. And once they are foam, so once they inflate again, they should keep this tucked in and not become flimsy. Okay, so what I did was I cut these adhesive foam a little larger than these pockets here, and I'm going to insert them, and I'll have the adhesive face downward. And what you can do is just squish them flat. It'll be easier, and quickly insert them into the pocket. You can twist this clip here. That looks pretty good. The one on the outer layer has larger holes, so make sure you cut plenty of foam. Just like that. And once it inflates, it will secure the clips or dampen it. So once you are done, it should look something like that. Yeah, should not make any noises, or really slightly. For now, for the two missing clips, all I did was added some foam here and here where there used to be a hole, and I figured that these surrounding them should hold them in place just fine. Also, I've also added some adhesive foam here because this corner here will have contact with the air intake cover, so that should help with the other 10% of the noise on both sides. Okay. There are a few more remaining places that can cause some noise, which is this side clips here on both sides. One right here and one right under here. You can kind of hear when you push on it. So all I'm going to do is insert a layer of foam in between the clips. There, that should help. Alright, so I added the foam here to this edge. I did the same thing here. So now that pretty much nice and quiet. No clicking noise or rattling noise. Did the same thing here. So yeah, one other place that I found noise is actually down here. It's further away from the driver's seat, but this could also create a lot of noise. So you tap here, this exit button right here to open the hood. It's actually somewhat tacky. What I'm going to do is I'm just gonna use some clear tape. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. Let's check the noise out. There we go. not vibrating, so that's good. So that should be most of the noise being dampened. I'm ready to put back the cover. What I would suggest you to do is, if some of the clips are still making slight noises, you can add a layer of foam just to the side of it. You may have to trim to make it a thinner layer, but that will help with the cover and this piece when they are in contact, and it will touch the clip, so then the clip will definitely not going to move around. So now that the cover is laying on top, I'm going to snap the 6 clips on top, 4 on the bottom, because I'm missing 2, so I'm just using the foam as cushion. Should be fine. They're all plastic. And make sure that the side clips are in place. So I'm going to start from this side. Make sure you hear it. So I hear 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. As you can see here, there's some contact there, so this foam is going to help. And here now comes the side clips. I also added a thin layer of foam here where there are contact to be safe. So that's 1 there. I believe there's 1 here. This one's a little hard. Oh, this might already be in. Yeah, I think it's in. It's not coming out. There we go. And 1 more here. There we go. All right, so now that everything is in place, I'm gonna do 1 more noise check. Yeah, sounds good now. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe. Thanks, and enjoy your Tesla.